Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to reset YouTube recommendations. To reset your YouTube recommendation videos, you have to clear your YouTube watch histories and YouTube search histories. And here's how to do it. Open YouTube on your browser and click on your profile and click on your data in YouTube, and here scroll down and you'll find here YouTube watch history. So all you have to need, just scroll down a little bit and click on manage your YouTube watch history. And now to delete your YouTube watch history, just click on delete. And now I'm going to delete all of my YouTube watch histories to reset my YouTube recommendation videos. So here's I'm clicking on delete all time. Delete. Once done, going back from here and again here scroll down, and now we will clear our YouTube search histories. So click on manage your YouTube search history and now click on delete. Delete all time. Delete again. Once done, relaunch your YouTube, and here you will see this message: try searching to get started. Start watching videos to help us build a feed of videos you will love. So here now all you have to need, search here those keywords or videos you want to see in your YouTube recommendation page or you are interested in. So this is how we can easily reset our YouTube recommendations. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.